Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make the Sincerely project kit. It has 30 gift tags. I'm going to actually show you the stamp set. This is the stamp set, Sincerely Santa. And then also the project kit comes like this in a box. So I have one brand new one here. I want to show you exactly how it comes packaged. So of course you have the directions, which we want to keep those. And then it has this really cute tin. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So then when you open it up, you have everything that you need to make your 30 tags with your stamp set. And then you're also going to need your scissors and your adhesive and some glue dots. And then also you're going to need your Cherry Cobbler classic ink pad and then your Garden Green classic ink pad. Okay, so I have everything already divided up. So let me show you what that looks like. So once you get your package, it's easier just to divide everything up. And then you can make it like an assembly line. And then also you're going to have some twine, Whisper White Baker's twine. But I'm going to use my Baker's twine for the sake of the video today. Okay. So then everything packages up really cute in the tin. Alright, so let me show you all mine that are packaged up. So I actually divided all the gift tags into clear envelopes. So you have 6 tags of each of the 5. So you have 30 tags. But I'm just going to make one with you today. So I went ahead and have one set of each of the 5 ready to go. Okay, I'm just going to give you some little tips and pointers on making these little gift tags. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here's my package. We're going to make this one, Fa La La. And I figure we'll start with this one because it has the jingle bells. Isn't that cute? So let me show you how to make the bells. I went ahead and already strung them onto the Whisper White. So what you're going to do is you're going to thread your bell on. So I went ahead already and did this one. And after I threaded it on, I tied it in a knot. And then I thread on the second one, and I'm going to tie this one in a knot just to keep them in place. Okay, so then when we thread this onto the gift tag, the bells are going to stay put. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do some stamping. We're going to use this little gift tag here. We're going to use the Cherry Cobbler. And we're going to stamp the Fa La La right on the center of the Whisper White. Just like that. And now it's just a matter of putting the gift tag together, which is really super easy. So we're just going to go ahead and take our ribbon. Okay, so for this ribbon, it comes in the kit. I cut it about 9.5 inches. And you got your 2 snowflakes. And I'm going to go ahead and lay the snowflakes down first onto the base of the gift tag. So let me go ahead and grab some snail. Put that right there. I'm going to go ahead and put some adhesive down in the center of the tag. And we're going to loop it. So I'm going to bring it over here, and then we're going to loop it down. And then loop it back. Just like that. Okay, so it kind of looks like a Z. Then this is going to get popped up on dimensionals. Just like that. Then we're going to string our bells through the tag. Okay, and then I'm going to tie it, once again I'm going to tie it in a knot on the tag. Just like that. And there's your first gift tag. And then here's the finished one that I made prior. Okay, so that's Fa La La gift tag done. Okay, the next tag we're going to make is open on December 25th. And I have that one packaged up. So let me show you what all comes with that tag. You're going to need 2 pieces of the ribbon, which also comes in the package. And then your doily. 1 doily, and then your gold piece, and then also the stamping part. So we're going to do that first. So let's go ahead and stamp. This time we're using the Garden Green. And we're going to use the open on December 25th. I'll just center that so I can center the stamp. About there. So cute. Okay, so this ribbon is cut at about 7 inches and this is about 11. So what you're going to do is you're going to wrap this ribbon around the base of the gift tag. So I'm going to put this through the hole of the gift tag. So I'm going to make a point. Just like this. And we're going to feed it around to the front of the gift tag. Okay. So it's going to look like it's being wrapped around the whole gift tag, but it's really not. So we're going to put adhesive up here and adhesive down here. Secure that down. And then bring the bottom piece up and wrap that up, just like this. So even though it doesn't connect in the center, your tag part is going to be covering that section up, all right? Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and lay our doily in the center. Then our gold piece. And then I'm going to pop this up on dimensionals. I'm going to put this right over top of the gold piece, just like that. Then with our longer piece, we're going to make a bow. I think I even cut less than what Stampin' Up! Recommended for the bow. Okay, so we're just going to tie our bow, and then we're going to attach this with a mini glue dot up here at the very top. Just right above that, just like that. Isn't that cute? All right, now we're going to cut some baker's twine. You can tie your tags in a couple different ways. You can thread one end through the hole for your tag. So if you want to actually tie this onto a package, you can do that. Or you can loop it together to get the center point of your linen thread right here. And then you can slide the loop part through the hole. Okay, let me try to grab this here. Okay. You can grab that and then open the loop up in the back, slide your baker's twine through that loop, and then pull it. I'm going to actually trim this down a little bit. So then there's your second tag. And then here's this one. Adorable. All right, let's move on to the third. We're going to make this one now with the Christmas tree to and from. I have that packaged up right here. You're going to use a half of a doily. Actually, you can probably use a quarter, but I cut them all in a half and it seemed like it was enough. And then your Christmas tree is going to be popped up on dimensional, so let me go ahead and do that. And then your little tag is going to be stamped to and from with the cherry cobbler. Okay, so for this ribbon, I believe this was cut at 3.5 inches long. So now we're going to go ahead and put our doily down. Okay, so we're going to put our doily down at the bottom and then lay our ribbon across the center of that with some more adhesive. Then we're going to pop this up on a dimensional. Then we're going to take our tree first. I'm going to put our tree on here, just like that. And then the to and from is going to be right below the tree, just like that. And then, of course, you can angle your ribbon if you want to cut that a certain way, just like that. Then one more thing, in your kit, you have a sheet of gold stars. So this one has a gold star at the very top. So I'm just going to pick this up with my paper piercing tool and take your gold star and put it right at the top of the tree, just like that. Isn't that cute? And then I'm going to pop the hole out of the tag and then get my piece of linen thread and thread this through the tag. You can also just tie a knot at the end. That's another way to do your tags. So it's totally up to you how you want to finish off your tag. Isn't that cute? All right, so there's the number 3 tag. Let's go on to number 4. Okay, so this is tag number 4, Joy to Your World. And once again, I have it all packaged up, ready to go. So you're going to need 2 pieces of the green ribbon. And you're going to need 2 of the doilies for this one. And then also you're going to need your 2 punch outs. We're going to go ahead and stamp our greeting. The teardrop of the tag goes down right here at the point. Beautiful. This one also gets a few stars added, so let me go ahead and add them. Okay, and we're going to take our 2 doilies. You could actually probably cut this in half, so let me show you that. So you can just take one of your doilies, cut it in half, and you're going to put this on either side of your cherry cobbler piece. One over here. You want to make sure there's enough showing. Yep. And then one over here. Okay, once again, this is going to be covering up the center so you don't see this part. And then your 2 pieces of ribbon. And these are cut at 2 1/2. And I'm going to put the center, I'm going to add the center with some snail to put my ribbon on that. Lining them up together. Okay, and then you're going to take your ribbon and see how this one is. You're going to angle cut them so it looks like it's one piece. Okay, then we're just going to put our greeting on the front. I'm going to actually use dimensionals. This right here, and then you're going to punch out your hole. Okay, so there's the 4th one. Isn't it cute? So there's the 4th tag. Now we're making the last tag, so let's grab that. Okay, so this is the final 5th tag, and this one is from Santa. Let me get all the goodies out for this one. You're going to have your punch out, and of course your doily, and then a gold and a silver piece, which is also in the kit. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some stamping. This one we're using the garden green. And this one says, this one's from Santa. So cute. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and add our cutouts to the greeting. Okay, we're going to pop this up on dimensionals again. Your silver and your gold stripe is going to go onto your tag with a little bit of snail. The gold one goes down first, and then the silver one kind of lays between that and the center. Then your doily, and then your greeting. Isn't that cute? And then once again, add your linen thread. I don't think Stampin' Up! Put the measurements of the linen thread. It's just to your liking, however long you want your tags to be. Sometimes it's a larger present, so you might want it to be a longer tag. So the tag with your baker's twine is whatever length you want it to be for the present. So once again, there's your 5th and final gift tags. So let's bring them all back in. Okay, so here they are. Aren't they beautiful? I got a couple of these project kits because I always use a lot of Christmas tags. Once again, you're also getting 30 gift tags to make, so that's quite a bit. So once again, keep the directions when you get your package because all the measurements are right on the back along with each gift tag, okay? Then you also get the cute little tin to put all your tags into or whatever else you want. Okay, so I have all the items listed below, and then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Bye.